Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to ripen an avocado quickly, 4 easy methods that work. You know, we all been there, standing in the kitchen with an unripe avocado, dreaming of creamy guacamole or that perfect breakfast toast. But avocado is hard as rock. No stress. There are natural and fast ways to ripen an avocado, and we've got you covered. At Avora Nature, we love avocados in all forms, from skincare to superfoods, so here's your guide to ripening them faster without losing flavor or texture. Why do avocados take so much time to ripen? Avocados don't ripen on the tree. They start to soften only after they have been picked, which is why they are often rock hard in stores. The ripening process is triggered by a natural gas called ethylene, which softens the fruit and changes its texture. The good news, you can hack this process. Method number 1. Use a paper bag with a banana or an apple. This is one of the best tricks in the book. How? Place your avocado in a brown paper bag, add the ripe banana or apple, close the bag and leave it at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days. Why does this work? Bananas and apples emit ethylene gas, and that speeds up the ripening process. Method number 2, the oven trick. This one is very dangerous to use. Use it with caution. This is not for children, so if you're an adult, please be careful with this method. Do you need that avocado today? Do you want to eat that avocado today? Wrap the avocado tightly in an aluminum foil. Place it in an oven at 90 degrees or 200 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down before cutting. Take also note of this. This method softens the avocado, but may affect the flavor. Just which one do you prefer? The soften method or the flavor method? Use only when you are in a rush. So if you want to eat the avocado that day, that's the only time you can use the oven for try it out. Method number 3. Place it in rice. Yes, indeed, in rice. A natural way to trap ethylene gas. Again, ethylene gas is the core foundation for an avocado to ripen. So if you don't have ethylene gas, the avocado won't ripen as fast as it should be. How do you do this? You bury the avocado in a container full of uncooked rice, cover and let it sit at room temperature. This method keeps it clean, it keeps it dry and speeds up ripening without external odors. And estimate time is about 1 to 3 days. And the last method, number 4, is just leave it out. Old school. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of patience. What do? You place your avocado on the kitchen counter, away from sunlight and moisture. Turn it every day to ripen evenly. Time estimated 4 to 7 days. No shortcuts, just natural way process of life. So now you ask yourself, how do you check if it's ripe? Well, this is the next tips I can give you, is to gently squeeze the avocado. It should give slightly under pressure. The skin should be darker and slightly bumpy. The stem at the top comes from easily revealing a green, not a brown spot. So if it's brown, you have to throw it away. Green is not ripe, dark or black is ripe. So, are you ready to enjoy your avocado? Because once it's ripe, slice it open, sprinkle with a little bit of lemon or lime to prevent browning and to keep it fresh and clean, and enjoy it in your salads, in your smoothies, or your skincare routine, or your hair care routine, whatever you like. And yes, we do that too at Avora Nature. I also take care of my hair skin. I also take care of my body skin. I try to put as much natural foods in my body as needed. And yeah, of course, sometimes I would like to eat some piece of cake or some muffin. I like that, for sure. But 80% of my diet or my food is just clean, whole, healthy foods. That is what I'm looking for if I go to the store. And I read every article, I read every ingredient they put in it, on it. So a next tip I can give you is the less ingredients a food has, the healthier it is. If it's not packaged, then it's also a healthy food. So basically everything you see in the store that is packaged, it's unhealthy, it's processed food. So it's made up in a fabric, and that is not something we have to eat. The best way to eat is to eat a natural way. Just grow your own garden, share a garden with other people, share ground, and there is where you can build your community, build your garden, eat healthy, and enjoy together. So, at Avora Nature, we go beyond the fruit. We bring you the power of avocado through clean skincare, fresh lifestyle products, and natural inspiration. Explore our collection at avoranature.com. Use code NEWSEARCH10 for 10% off of your first order. And if you want more tips like this, follow us on social media and stay inspired through the avocado lifestyle. Would you like a YouTube short script based on this blog? Put it in the comments. Send me a message. I will do whatever I can. A Facebook Reels caption or image suggestion. That is also something I can make and use. And like always, stay natural, stay Avora, and see you in the next one.